Hey, thanks for tuning in. We're going to show you today the automatic parts cleaning products from Snap-on Tools. First, we're going to show you the PBC57A. This machine is automatic, water-based with the finest chemical available, the most effective money can buy or chemistry can come up with. You'll see that it pictured here is with the optional tree, and then also an optional basket is available. Let me go through some of the features and benefits of this machine. First, it's got a 2 horsepower pump for fast and heavy duty operation. Delivers to 20 fluid nozzles throughout the machine to get your parts nice and clean. Top, bottom, sides, all complete. This turntable has a 500-pound capacity rating. Nice and easy to roll in and out. I'll show you afterwards. It has a 60-minute cycle switch, which allows you to basically set it and forget it, saving time and money. Your technicians could be working on something else while your parts are being cleaned. Doesn't get any better. It also has a skimmer system, which removes all the heavier duty grease and grime on the back. And this machine is ready to rock and roll for all of your smaller applications, more automotive, transmissions, gas engine blocks, all of those types of things. If heavy duty is your game, then we'll take you over to the PBC58. This is relatively new to our line, been very well received, shows with the optional tree. You'll also notice that this turntable has a 1,000-pound capacity for easy loading. That turntable rolls out so that you can load heavier parts. This includes a 3 horsepower motor, and we've redesigned the dashboard. This is a 24-volt dashboard, includes the 60-minute timer, and all of your switches are illuminated. The other benefit of this machine, again, set and forget, has the LED light on top. Pretty much anywhere in the shop you'll be able to see that green beacon. This does include the skimmer system as well, and you can use the optional parts basket for this machine as well. That's a PBC55-1. The trees are a PBC55-3 for the 57, or the larger tree is a PBC58-3. See your Snap-on franchisee how you can get one of these machines to start saving money in your shop. Thanks for tuning in.